let's talk about something super important: staying safe at home and preventing falls. Now, falls might seem like just a part of getting older, but they don't have to be. A little preparation, a few smart habits, and the right tools can go a long way in keeping you steady, confident, and independent in your own home. Whether you live in a house, apartment, or with family, this one's for you. Number 1, why falls matter. Here's the truth. 1 out of every 4 people over 65 fall each year, and falls are the leading cause of injury-related hospital visits among older adults. But most of these falls are preventable. Yes, really. Preventing falls means more than just avoiding injuries. It means protecting your confidence, your independence, and your quality of life. So let's walk through some easy, practical ways to stay on your feet. Start with your space. Safety first. Your home should work for you, not against you. Here are a few places to check. Clear the floors. Remove loose rugs, power cords, and clutter, especially in high traffic areas. Add light. Make sure every hallway and room is well lit. Use night lights in the bedroom, bathroom, and kitchen. Secure the bathroom. Add grab bars near the toilet and in the shower or tub. Use a non-slip bath mat. Consider a shower chair or handheld shower head for easier bathing. Check your shoes. Wear well-fitting shoes with good traction, no slippery socks or floppy slippers. Keep essentials within reach. Try not to use step stools or climb on chairs to get things. Instead, move frequently used items to waist or shoulder height. Number 3, let's talk about stairs. Stairs can be one of the biggest fall hazards at home, but you can make them safer. Here's how. Use the handrail, always. Going up or down, one or both sides, doesn't matter. Use the rail every time. Take it one step at a time. Don't rush. Focus on each step, and if you feel dizzy or tired, stop and rest. Light it up. Make sure the stairway is well lit from top to bottom, with a switch at both ends if possible. Keep stairs clear. No boxes, laundry baskets, or anything else that could trip you up. Consider marking the edges. If depth perception is tricky, use brightly colored tape on the edge of each step for better visibility. If stairs are difficult, talk to your doctor or occupational therapist. They may suggest tools like a stair lift, cane, or walker, or help you rearrange your living space to reduce the number of trips up and down. It's not about losing independence. It's about staying safe so you can remain independent. And it's never too late to strengthen it. Regular movement, even just walking or doing light leg exercises at home, helps improve balance and coordination. Try standing behind a chair and slowly lifting one foot at a time to work your balance. Or practice sitting and standing from a sturdy chair a few times a day to build leg strength. The stronger you feel, the steadier you'll be, on stairs, in the kitchen, or out in the world. Number 5, check your meds and vision. Some medications, especially when mixed, can make you feel dizzy or sleepy, and blurry vision can make it harder to spot tripping hazards. Be sure to review your medications with your doctor or pharmacist regularly. Get your eyes checked at least once a year. Make sure your glasses or contacts are up to date. If you use a hearing aid, keep it in good working order. Hearing can help you stay aware of your surroundings too. Number 6, don't ignore close calls. Have you had a near fall recently? Maybe you tripped, slipped, or caught yourself just in time? Don't brush it off. A near fall is a warning sign. Talk to your doctor or care team and make a plan before something more serious happens. Many Medicare programs like APCM offer care coordinators who can help assess your home or connect you with support services. Number 7, you've got this. Fall prevention doesn't mean living in fear. It means living smart. Taking a few simple steps today can give you peace of mind, more energy, and more freedom to enjoy the things you love. So whether it's clearing a hallway, installing a grab bar, or just slowing down on the stairs, every action counts. And remember, asking for help doesn't mean losing independence. It means choosing to stay independent longer. You deserve to feel safe, confident, and steady in every room of your home and every step of the way.